2010 Lincoln Town Car, Executive L Series, so that's the extended wheelbase, 374,000 miles, 322. One thing I've kind of noticed is I do have a, excuse me with the angle there, I do have a issue with the idle. So this idle bounces quite a bit. Right now it's maintaining a steady idle, and I do have the AC on, but normally this thing will bounce between 500 and 700 RPM. So it never goes above the 1, as you can see. It just kind of like jumps around a little bit. But it also, if you listen, it does cause the engine, it sounds like, to run rough. I have no codes going on, but you can hear from the inside of the cab, it sounds rough. I don't know if it's picking up that sound or not, but from the wheels on the floor, it almost feels like, you know, I don't want to call it piston slap, but it's almost like you can hear each time the actual firing goes off, and it just sounds like it's rough. So if I turn the wheel also to the far right, you'll notice, if I can focus quick enough, okay, the idle jumped. Okay, straighten out the wheel again. Let me see if I can actually get it to focus in without that. Okay, so steering wheel to the left. Okay, centering it back up to the right. And I'm in park, so I'm not going anywhere. Straightening it up. Turn off the radio so you guys can see it. I don't know, it just feels like it's not running smooth. And then you can kind of hear a little bit of crackling in the background. I don't know where that's coming from, but okay, then if I put it in gear, watch this. Okay, then drive or neutral. Drive. First gear. Set first gear, second gear, and first gear. See that? That's what it does. That's not normal to me. So there's some minor clunking from reverse and drive. That's park. So if I drop it in a freaking reverse, you can gonna hear a little bit of the clunking in the background. But I did change out the rear wheel bearings and seals. They were leaking, so I got those replaced. But the actual, what do you call it? What's the word for it? The differential, my bad, is in okay condition. There's no metal shavings at all. There's no wear and tear that's inconsistent, and there's no damage. So the actual diff is in perfect condition, but yet that's what's doing that. So it's only in drive that that's happening. It's having a clunk, and then the idler is doing that. Reverse. Okay, and then drive. Then park. So that's the issue I'm having. Let me know what you guys think is going to cause that. But again, it sounds like the engine isn't healthy, and that's what I want to figure out, is how do I make the engine healthy and maintain this car.